had to bring that closer because when we catch them fishes, baby.
Come on, I'm trying to get out. Alright, GG Squad, we finally done made it to our destination.
Mario. Game over.
And if you can look around, it's real. We're about to get this thing popping, y'all. So without further ado, let's get right on to this big deal.
You might not come back. Hey, baby.
Cause it's my channel, so what? I can do what I want. And you ain't gonna sit here and argue with me about it before you be in that fucking pool. And that's on everything. He's too busy worried about me. You should be helping him. No, eat raw food. Oh, he eating that shit, man. Oh, he gonna have worms. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show y'all.
This shit.
All right, y'all. So what he's working with, like, what is this called again, Dwayne?
Oh, campfire stove.
Campfire stove, and this ran by gas and propane.
Oh yeah, just propane, little propane tank right there on the side. We give you up to 3 to 4 hours of burning.
Period.
Heck, I used to usually, if I go out here all night, I usually sit there and do so I got a propane lantern.
Oh, where you going, babe? Oh no, you got attitude. You what? Y'all got that speaker, right?
Yeah.
Got the little cheers out here. This ready to be a whole movie. Sharif, play with me, y'all. I'm gonna just comment in the comment section. Throw that nigga in the pool, and it's a wrap. I'm throwing him in the pool.
Lay it on top.
Yeah. That's probably the owner. You don't know what to say.
Did you see that little shit over there? Did you see that shit over there? What? You can see that little curve over there?
Hi.
Gotcha. I got you.
She
I
said,
don't want to drive on the grass or nothing like that.
all right, cut the small talk. What is that? Put on the grass.
Yeah.
Oh, that must be the owner. Do y'all got $4 extra for cause he only got his credit card. We'll pay y'all back. Oh, he might got that. I don't know. I know.
How much money did you take out? Did you spend that whole 20?
Yeah. I was like, okay, we here paid for $100.
You got $8? Cause it's two. Oh, look at my little setup over there. You ain't got no cash, babe? I told you that. You ain't got it? Where the store at?
Yep. Check the bra stash.
Look.
Check the wallet. Check my wallet.
I ain't got no cash on me.
Hey, baby.
What?
Yeah, that was Reese. I told him when I start here, like, shit, I already know. They already got the word already.
Right.
These guys, Sharif coming back at me. That's all about it.
You can't get no nice cement.
Yeah, what I'm sitting
As
on.
long as I got it, we might They got a big tub or something.
I need to sit down, y'all.
This is nice right here. Want some drink? Some wine? I'll sit over there.
Alright, y'all. Y'all see where I'm posted up at? This is where I'm posted up at. If I wanted to, like, just kind of like do this, I could because I'm chilling. I'm just sitting right here, y'all. Right. Sharif gonna buy me a new one. Everything in it. Y'all, what is this? Out here just enjoying this view.
Okay. Give me my charger, please.
Look at my dog, y'all. She crazy just like me. And I'm talking about literally green card crazy. For y'all people that
go in that water. You gonna drown. I'm not going. I'm not.
for y'all people that did not know that I am officially green card crazy. So you pull up on me the wrong way,
Dumbass.
you gonna be gone from here.
Yes, I'm talking about you. You understand? You comprehend what I'm talking about. I know you do. Now sit your ass down somewhere and stop trying to go in shit you ain't got no business going in. How about that? We don't have these kind of problems.
Period. What if something just jump up right there from the edge and snatch me down? What you gonna do?
Sheree, you gonna come on and pull me on? I gotta kind of catch this crazy bitch.
Bitch, you crazier than me. I don't give a fuck what you say. So we're just sitting right here chilling. Something just jump up and pull us down. I mean, all right, y'all. We just gonna catch this breeze. Sorry for how the camera see. Sorry for how the camera's sitting, guys. But it is what it is. All right, squad. All right, gang. I'm gonna come back and get y'all when some action happen. Okay? Let's go. Oh, y'all mean that, huh?
Got him.
Y'all look what I done got. I gotta put the umbrella. All right, may the best man win.
I'm a don at this.
Oh, you said Doug an amateur? Doug an amateur, but he got all this equipment.
I'm an amateur. Because we made a bet.
Size him up, boo, because he ain't no amateur. You gotta take his title, babe. You gotta take his title.
Nice small worm. Nice small worm.
Where your other worm at? What? Alright, who your money on?
My husband. I don't think so.
Play fair. Sharif, your uncle. You knew him first. You knew Sharif first.
Yeah, but when I married that nigga, they called.
But you knew Sharif first.
That became my first priority when I married that motherfucker right there.
Right.
I mean, I said I do. That's my new family, my new priority. You know, every goddamn thing right now.
Y'all hear that, ladies? Do y'all hear that, GG Squad? Once you marry a man, he becomes your first priority.
That's your
Oh,
family.
this camera's ready to die, y'all. I'll be back from the iPhone shorty.